All right, so as of recently, I've been kind of a sucker for fidget 3D prints. So I went ahead and tried out this print in place, ready to go 3D printed fidget spinner. And I 3D printed this with my Bambu Lab P1S, and here it is. So let's check it out and see how good it works. No other accessories needed. You pretty much just 3D print it and it's pretty much good to go. Ready to use, ready to play with. But yeah, I've been kind of a sucker for 3D printed fidget toys, and this one I just had to try out. So again, print in place, ready to go, and let's see how good it is. All right, so all of these should be able to start spinning, and right off the bat, look at that. This one spins. This one spins as well. So yeah, all of them spin and it's pretty much good to go. So here we go. That is so cool. Wow, that is awesome. And again, I 3D printed this with my Bambu Lab P1S, and I do have another Bambu Lab P1S that I just bought recently, and there it is, still in the box right there. But yeah, I mean, the Bambu Lab P1S is an awesome 3D printer. Also, the Bambu Lab P2S as well is an awesome 3D printer. If you guys have not purchased a Bambu Lab 3D printer, I highly recommend you guys checking out either the Bambu Lab P1S or the Bambu Lab P2S. But being that I'm so happy with the Bambu Lab P1S, I just went ahead and bought the same thing, because the Bambu Lab P1S pretty much does everything that I needed to do, just like with prints like this. I mean, that is awesome. I am so happy with this print. But yeah, I mean, look at the print quality with the Bambu Lab 3D printers, and this is just insane. How you can just 3D print like a fidget toy in just a matter of, I think this one took like 56 minutes. So really not that long. But yeah, the print came out perfect. I mean, look at this. That is insane. And it works perfectly as well. But yeah, if you guys are just starting to get into 3D printing, if you guys have not got into 3D printing yet, I mean, these are one of the reasons why I started to get into 3D printing. I mean, the things you're able to 3D print, I mean, a fidget toy in just 56 minutes with no extra accessories needed. I mean, this is all pretty much just the 3D print itself, and it's awesome. But yeah, I mean, the Bambu Lab P1S 3D prints at a max speed of 500 millimeters per second, which is pretty much, again, all I need. Which the Bambu Lab P2S 3D prints at a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. And it also has AI features as well. And it also has an upgraded screen, which is actually touch screen, kind of like what the Anycubic Cobra S1 has as well. But again, I've been so happy with my Bambu Lab P1S that, again, I did buy another one, which I cannot wait to test out as well. And I'll probably be 3D printing another one of these. 3D printing is so much fun. It's an awesome hobby. If you love creating things like action figures, fidget toys, and even like stuff you can actually use around the house. I have also 3D printed quite a few of those as well. But I've 3D printed so much things that I kind of have them like towed away in containers. So I'm gonna have to go through some of my other stuff that I 3D printed earlier on and try to inspire you guys to start 3D printing, because I mean, 3D printing is an awesome hobby and I just love it. And I 3D printed this with matte PLA. But yeah, I mean, the print came out perfect. It's beautiful and it works perfectly. But yeah, if you guys are looking for an awesome hobby, I would highly recommend 3D printing. But if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That way you guys don't miss out on other things, other projects that I work on with 3D printing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.